Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect in Teamspeak. First, you'll need to download the Teamspeak 3 client from the official website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Make sure your microphone and headphones are plugged in and working correctly before proceeding. This ensures a smooth communication experience right from the start. Now that the client is installed, open the Teamspeak 3 application. Navigate to the Connections menu at the top and select Connect. A new window will appear where you can input the server's address. This is usually an IP address or a domain name. Also, enter your desired nickname for the server. This name will identify you to other users. If the server you're joining is password protected, you'll need to enter that password in the designated field. After connecting, you'll see a list of available channels. Double-click on the channel you wish to join to enter it. Take a moment to adjust your microphone and speaker volumes to ensure clear audio for yourself and others. You can find these settings in the Options menu. If you encounter any connection problems, first check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Also, verify that your firewall isn't blocking Teamspeak, as this is a common issue. You might need to add an exception for the application. For more tips and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for a link and other great deals. Enjoy your Teamspeak experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.